Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Welcome to What is a Bank? The ultimate beginner's guide to understanding banks. Ever wondered what really happens behind those bank doors? How do banks use your deposits, and why do they pay you interest? You're about to discover the answers and more, all explained in simple terms. In this video, we're peeling back the layers of the banking system to uncover its secrets. From managing your everyday transactions to offering loans for your dream projects, we'll show you how banks play a crucial role in your financial journey. Stick around until the end to receive not one, but 2 bonuses. 6 key takeaways to boost your financial literacy, and 6 practical tips and examples to help you make the most out of your banking experience. So, buckle up and join us as we demystify the world of banking in this ultimate beginner's guide. Whether you're completely new to banking or just need a refresher, let's dive into the world of banks and uncover what they're all about in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Understanding banks can seem intimidating, but don't worry. Today, we'll break down the essentials in a fun, easy-to-follow way. Ready? Let's get started. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution that helps us manage our money. Think of it as a safe house for your cash that offers multiple services. They take deposits, give loans, and offer various services to help us handle our finances, acting as a bridge between people who want to save their money and those who need to borrow it. But banks do more than just hold your money. They play a vital role in the economy. By providing a safe place for deposits and loans, they ensure money is available for individuals and businesses to achieve their goals. They help create jobs, build communities, and support economic growth. When you put your money in the bank, it doesn't just sit there. The bank works to make it grow, keeping a portion on hand for your use while lending out the rest to others, thereby earning interest. How banks work. Banks pool deposits from people like you and me who save their money. They then use that money to give loans to others. They pay interest on the deposits to reward us for saving and charge interest on the loans to those borrowing. This balance helps banks support economic growth and keep your money secure. For example, when you deposit $1,000 in a savings account, the bank may use $900 of that to provide a loan for someone buying a house. The bank charges them interest, which is higher than what they pay you for your savings, and this difference is what allows banks to earn profit. The bank holds onto a fraction of deposits to ensure they have enough cash on hand to meet withdrawal demands, all while keeping your funds safe through regulatory safeguards. Who uses banks? Everyone from individuals like you and me to businesses and even governments use banks. They rely on them for depositing money, taking out loans, processing payments, and using other services that banks provide to help keep the economy running smoothly. For individuals, a bank helps manage daily finances, pay bills, and build a savings cushion for the future. Businesses rely on banks to handle payroll, secure loans for expansion, and manage their finances. Governments use banks to distribute benefits, manage public funds, and even pay for infrastructure projects. Banks are essential for moving money efficiently throughout the economy. With specialized services, banks cater to different needs, be it students needing loans for education, startups seeking funding, or governments maintaining public finances. By connecting savers with borrowers, banks enable everyone to make the most of their money. Types of bank accounts. Banks offer 2 main types of accounts: checking and savings. Checking accounts are for day-to-day use, like paying bills, transferring money, and withdrawing from an ATM. They come with debit cards, but offer very low interest. Savings accounts are meant for saving up for big purchases or emergencies and can offer higher interest rates. Checking accounts help you manage your everyday finances with features like direct deposit for your paycheck, automatic bill pay, and the ability to write checks. With savings accounts, you earn interest over time, making them perfect for setting aside money for vacations, emergencies, or future goals. Some banks offer additional features like mobile banking, which lets you manage your money on the go. Whether you need easy access to your cash or want to watch your savings grow, banks have accounts that suit your needs. Other bank accounts. For those who don't need their money right away, banks offer certificates of deposit, CDs. These accounts lock your money for a fixed period but provide a higher interest rate than regular savings accounts, rewarding you for being patient. Think of a CD as a savings account with a time limit. You choose how long to leave your money in the bank, usually ranging from a few months to several years. In return, the bank pays you a higher interest rate since they can use your money for a set period without worry of withdrawals. This makes CDs ideal for long-term goals like buying a house or funding a child's education. The longer you commit, the higher the interest rate. Just remember, if you withdraw before the CD matures, you may face a penalty, so make sure you won't need that cash soon. Types of loans. Banks provide various types of loans, including home loans, personal loans, student loans, and business loans. They charge a higher interest rate on these loans than they pay on deposits, which helps banks make money while providing critical financial support to those in need. Mortgages help people buy homes, often their largest purchase. Personal loans can cover unexpected expenses, like medical bills or home repairs. Student loans open the door to education by helping students afford tuition. Business loans provide funding for startups to get off the ground or establish businesses to grow. By offering a variety of loans, banks empower individuals and businesses to achieve their goals. While borrowing money means paying interest, responsible use of loans can be a powerful financial tool that helps you achieve your dreams, from owning a home to starting a business. Other services. Beyond basic banking, banks offer credit cards, debit cards, ATMs for convenient access to cash, safety deposit boxes for valuables, and many other services like money transfers, direct deposits, and even wealth management to make managing your finances easier. Credit cards provide a convenient way to make purchases and can help build your credit history. Debit cards give you instant access to your checking account for withdrawals or purchases. ATMs allow you to access cash anytime, while safety deposit boxes securely store valuables like important documents or family heirlooms. Banks also facilitate international transactions, currency exchanges, and more. For those seeking to grow their wealth, many banks offer investment accounts and financial advice. No matter your financial needs, banks offer a range of services to help you manage your money with ease and confidence. Bonus 1: 6 key takeaways to boost your financial literacy. 1. Choose the right bank and account types. Research options. Don't settle for the first bank you find. Compare fees, interest rates, and services offered by various banks. Account types. Choose accounts that match your needs. Checking accounts for daily transactions and savings accounts for growing your funds. 2. Minimize fees. Avoid monthly fees. Look for banks that offer fee-free checking and savings accounts. Reduce ATM fees. Use ATMs within your bank's network or choose a bank that reimburses ATM fees. Watch for overdraft fees. Opt into alerts for low balances or set up a link between your savings and checking accounts to cover accidental overdrafts. 3. Maximize interest earnings. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer higher interest rates, helping your savings grow faster. Certificates of deposit, CDs. If you can afford to lock in money for a period, CDs typically offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. 4. Build and maintain good relationships. Credit opportunities. A good relationship with your bank can be beneficial if you ever need a loan. Regular interactions can lead to better terms and rates. Financial advice. Many banks offer free financial advising services to their customers. 5. Automate your finances. Direct deposit. Have your paycheck directly deposited into your checking account to access your funds faster. Automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings to boost your savings effortlessly. 6. Stay secure. Security features. Utilize all security features your bank offers, like two-factor authentication and transaction alerts. Monitor. Regularly review your bank statements and transactions for any unauthorized activity. Bonus 2. 6 practical tips and examples to help you make the most out of your banking experience. 1. Start with the basics. Tip: compare a bank to a financial hub that connects savers and borrowers. Example: imagine a community where everyone saves their money in one place, the bank. The bank then lends this money to a business owner who wants to start a coffee shop. In this way, the bank helps the community by keeping savings safe and allowing businesses to grow. 2. Understanding types of accounts. Tip: describe the 2 main types of accounts, checking and savings. Example: a checking account is like a daily wallet, giving you quick access to money for expenses like groceries or bills. On the other hand, a savings account is like a piggy bank for bigger goals, such as saving for a vacation or an emergency fund, where the money grows with interest over time. 3. Simplify the concept of loans. Tip: use relatable scenarios to explain the importance of loans. Example: let's say Alex wants to buy a car but doesn't have all the money up front. The bank can lend Alex the needed amount and charge interest on the loan, allowing him to buy the car now and pay back the bank over time. This system helps people make big purchases without waiting years to save the full amount. 4. Highlight additional services. Tip: mention useful services that banks offer, emphasizing their convenience. Example: besides storing your money, banks also offer credit cards that help you build a credit history, and debit cards that let you access your money anytime. They also provide ATMs for cash withdrawals and safety deposit boxes for valuable items like jewelry or important documents. 5. Encourage financial literacy. Tip: motivate viewers to learn about how banks can help achieve their financial goals. Example: if you want to buy a house, save for your child's education, or start a business, understanding how banks work can be a game changer. They offer many tools and services to help you manage and grow your money. 6. Stress the importance of choosing the right bank. Tip: suggest factors to consider when choosing a bank. Example: when selecting a bank, look for one that offers the services you need, such as low-fee checking accounts, high-interest savings, or convenient loan terms. It's essential to choose a bank that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. These tips and examples can help beginners understand the essential functions and benefits of banks in a practical and engaging way. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every day. Let's grow our financial knowledge together.